Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TikTok privacy settings to reduce data exposure, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up your TikTok privacy settings, start by opening the TikTok app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In your profile, look for the three horizontal lines or the three dots in the top right corner to access settings. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Scroll down to the Privacy section and tap on it. Here, you'll see options related to your account privacy. The first option is Private Account. Enable this feature to restrict your content to only approved followers. Next, return to the Privacy Settings menu and look for Suggested Accounts. Turn off the option that allows others to find you through suggestions. Now, return to the Privacy section and scroll down to Who can view my videos. Select Friends or Private to limit who can see your content. Then, check the Who can comment on my videos option. You can choose Friends or No one to limit comment access. Proceed to Who can duet with me and set it to No one or Friends. Continue to Who can stitch my videos and apply the same settings. Next, adjust Allow others to find me by choosing to turn off the options that enable searching by your phone number or linked social media accounts. Return to the main privacy menu and find Personalization. Disable the options for personalized ads by toggling them off. Finally, check the section labeled Data Management to understand how your data is being used. Consider minimizing data collection by disabling unnecessary permissions. After adjusting all these settings, review them to ensure they reflect your preferences. Your TikTok privacy settings are now effectively optimized to reduce data exposure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.